Hello students, I am Bharti Shinde working as a lecturer in Praveen Patil Polytechnic College. In this video we will see projection of tetrahedron, and let us see example. A tetrahedron 60 mm long edges has one edge in HP with that edge perpendicular to VP and the triangular face containing that edge is vertical. Draw three views, means front view, top view and side view. So as it is given that the base edge of tetrahedron is on HP. So we will assume as it is standing on HP with one of its side of base perpendicular to VP. So first of all, draw horizontal line XY. Like this. Draw line, horizontal line XY. Then tetrahedron side is given as 60 mm. So draw a vertical line and measure 60 mm on this line. So 60. Now we know tetrahedron means all sides are same. Now take 60 distance in rounder and draw third point. So this is the point, and now join these points and complete the tetrahedron. Give names A, B and C. Now measure midpoint of this line. So 30, and now join this center point to this line. Again measure midpoint of this line, 30. This is not a point. And now join point A. So in this way we will get the center point of tetrahedron. And now join B to this point. So like this. Give name to this center point as OP. Now take projections vertically. And draw this base line which is on XY line and give name C dash, here O dash P dash, or you can give P dash, then A dash, B dash. You can give P dash above XY line, so I will give here P dash. Now we will draw view having one side or one altitude as 60 mm. So take this 60 distance in rounder and draw a arc from point C dash. So this is our point on axis. Now join this point to A dash, B dash and C dash. As this is axis, draw it as one line long, one small, like this. Now give name to the axis as this is O dash, apex point. So O dash, P dash, A dash, B dash, C dash. Now this is VP and this is HP. This is front view, this is top view. Now it is given that triangular face containing that edge is vertical. So that edge, that is O dash, A dash, B dash is vertical. So take a point, this point as A dash, B dash and measure O dash distance from this point as vertical. So I have drawn arc. Now draw a vertical line and this arc touches the line here. So this is point O dash. Now from O dash we know C dash distance is 60. So from O dash measure C dash distance and from A dash B dash measure C dash distance. Now we will extend this arc. So this is the point C dash. Now join all these points. OP dash is remaining. So measure P dash from A dash B dash. So this is point P dash. You can join O dash P dash. As axis. Now observer will see from top. So this is the direction for observer because we will take projections from of this front view downward. Take projections and take projections of this top view in stage 1. This is stage 1 and this is stage 2. So take projections of top view in stage 1 horizontally. Now we will get all the points. So C dash here and here. So this is C, then P dash. We will give axis later. A dash B dash. So this is A and this is B Now join CAB outer points by dark lines. Join AC. Draw axis also. So O dash P dash. So here OP. So this is point P and this is point O. Projection of O and this O and projection of P and P. And here COP has joined, so join COP. Like this. So this is front view in stage 2 and this is top view in stage 2. Now it is given that draw all the 3 views, so we have to draw side view also. So I will extend this XY line and give point here. This Y point. Now take any point here and measure 45-degree angle. Now draw a line. And now take projections of top view up to this line. And now take these projections upwards. Take projections of front view horizontally. And now join the points. So A and A here. So this is point A dash, or we can say A1 dash. Then B and B, so B1 dash. Then C and C here, so C1 dash. OP we will give as P and this is P, so P1 dash, and O and this is O, so O1 dash. Now first of all join outer points by dark lines. So there is a mistake. A dash point is here and B1 dash point is here. So this is point A1 dash and this is point B1 dash. So join. and this is point C1 dash and this is point P1 dash. Now join C, P, O. So we will join OC. So OC. As we can see here, OC, AC and BC. So join BC and AC. And CP is axis, so we can join axis by long and short line like this. So this is left hand side view, LHSV. So in this way we have completed front view, top view, side view of a tetrahedron.